Hi there, I'm Jay Sheehan, Service Manager at Surgenor Hyundai. I want to personally thank you for choosing our team. We're truly excited to embark on this new Hyundai journey with you, and we're committed to exceeding your expectations when it comes to your ownership experience. As you approach our building, you will notice two convenient drive lanes specifically designated as our service drive-through. It's a seamless process designed to make your visit as efficient and hassle-free as possible. Simply drive up to our automatic doors, and our friendly staff will guide you to a parking spot. We understand your time is valuable, so we'll start the check-in process right away, and sharing a prompt and smooth experience once inside, you'll be greeted by one of our knowledgeable service advisors who will assist you in completing your check-in. They'll address any questions or concerns you may have, making sure you feel confident and well-informed while your vehicle is being serviced. You have the option to relax in our inviting guest lounge. We've thoughtfully provided high and low seating area, workspaces, snacks, refreshments, and high-speed Wi-Fi, allowing you to stay connected and productive while you wait. Our experienced service team will carefully inspect your vehicle and provide you with any additional recommendations on its time or mileage. These recommendations will help keep your Hyundai running smoothly for years to come, ensuring you enjoy every mile of your journey. When your vehicle is ready, we'll notify you through your preferred method of contact, whether it's a call, text, or email. We'll provide you with a comprehensive explanation of all the work done, all charges incurred, and any additional recommendations for future maintenance. If you prefer a touchless payment experience, we can conveniently send your invoice via text or email. Now it's time to pick up your freshly washed vehicle from our designated area, indicated by your tag. We've taken care of every detail so you can get back to your busy life with a smile on your face. We've even gone ahead and booked your next appointment so we can continue to serve you and maintain a strong relationship. Thank you once again for choosing Surgenor Hyundai. It's been a pleasure sharing this introduction with you. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey ahead. We are here to make sure your Hyundai ownership experience is nothing short of extraordinary.